Welcome to my channel Anna's Tutorial. Today's topic is a biography writing. Sunita Williams. Sunita Williams is one of the world's most renowned astronauts of Indian Slovenian heritage. She was born on September 19, 1965 in Euclid, Ohio, USA. Her father, Dr. Deepak Pandya, was an Indian American neuroanatomist, and her mother, Bonnie Pandya, was of Slovenian descent. Williams grew up in Massachusetts, excelled in academics, and pursued her interest in science and engineering. She earned a Bachelor of Science degree in Physical Science from the United States Naval Academy in 1987 and later received a Master's in Engineering Management from the Florida Institute of Technology in 1995. Williams began her career as a test pilot in the US Navy, where she flew over 30 different aircraft and logged more than 3,000 flight hours. In 1998, she was selected by NASA for astronaut training, marking the beginning of her historic journey into space. She has participated in multiple expeditions to the International Space Stations ISS, including expeditions 14 by 15, 32 by 33, and 71 by 72. During her missions, she set world records for spacewalks and was the first Indian origin woman to command the ISS. She has completed 9 spacewalks totaling 62 hours and 6 minutes, the most for any woman and ranking 4th on NASA's all-time list. Williams has spent a total of 608 days in space throughout her career. In recent years, she played a vital role in NASA's Commercial Crew Program, piloting the first crewed flight of Boeing's Starliner spacecraft to the ISS in June 2024. Sunita Williams has been honored with several medals and accolades, including the NASA Space Flight Medal, in recognition of her dedication and accomplishments. Her career is notable for her pioneering contributions to space exploration and continued leadership in upcoming space missions. Her legacy motivates students worldwide, especially girls, to pursue careers in science and engineering. Thank you for watching. Stay with me and like, share, subscribe.